Is it possible to have a cleanroom cable management solution? Definitely. At Igus, we can. At Igus, we are one of the leading manufacturers of energy chains in the cleanroom technology. In cleanrooms, moving component abrasion must be low because any contamination is harmful to the products and processes. At Igus, we test our products in our own cleanroom lab under realistic conditions. To further validate these testings and performance, we work with Fraunhofer Institute, which conducts further additional testings. As a result, our products have achieved the highest possible cleanroom classification, ISO Class 1. One example of an ISO Class 1 solution is the eSkin flat. It is a modular system that allows you to add ports, stack layers to suit your machine space. This gives the flexibility of making adjustments or quick cable replacements during prototype or development stage. Igus CF.CLEAN cables, which are also cleanroom approved cables, are designed to work seamlessly together with the eSkin flat. These cables are developed without an outer jacket, making them thinner, lighter, and more flexible, easier to adapt to tight installation spaces. In a nutshell, Igus cleanroom cable management products offer highest ISO class standards, lightweight solutions, adaptable and configurable to suit your applications, and lastly, the ease of maintenance. If you have any concerns or you are struggling to find a cleanroom solution for your application, just contact us. We will be glad to help you. Or if you want to find out more about our cleanroom products, just click on this link below. Thank you.